Welcome. Today we will learn about how we can create a transparent application or transparent form using Visual Basic. We can see here a demonstration for transparent application form. We can set its transparency level according to our requirement. So let's start by creating a new project in Visual Basic. For this purpose we are required three APIs that I have already written. First one API is set layered window attributes. So I have to again elaborate it. First one API is get window long, that is used to get the windows handler. Second one is set window long, that is used to set the captured window attribute. And the last one is used to set the layered window attributes, means the concerning context area which handler we have already got using the get window long. We will set its attributes. So let's start the process. This process will start from form load event. In form load event we will have to write some variables. First of all, window long as long. Secondly, we will call get window long to get the windows handler of the current form. The first parameter will be me.hwnd or current forms handler, and second parameter is windows layer extended style. This is the predefined constant that is defined in Microsoft documentation. We can also learn about this constant and its usage from the online. Its other values are -21, -6 according to requirement. After getting the windows handler long, we will set its handler to the other window attribute. Set window long me.hwnd. Similarly, GWL extended style and windows extended style, extended layered. These are also constant defined in. We will later on discuss about this too. At the last we have to set layered window attributes. Layered window attribute refers to the current captured window that we have captured using set window long. We are setting its attribute me.hwnd 0 to 20. This is the transparency level, and LW alpha that we will later on discuss. So let's check our window. This window is getting transparent. We are going to change its transparency level. So we can see here this window is totally transparent. We can set lower limit of 20, then we will not able to see only by focusing it. You can see I also moving the window, means it is existing. If you can see on YouTube window screen. Okay, we are going to again set it as 120. Now it's time to understand the entire code. So let's start by defining the constant values. Here are three constant that are required to define or parameter, providing the parameter to the API calls. Secondly, we can see here is the API declarations that we will use in our code, and the third part is the form load event on which we will call these three APIs. We have already detailed discussion about this is the transparency value. This is the transparency value, and these are the three API calls that we have put in our code. Simple. I have already discussed how to create an elliptical form, how to make a drag and drop application. You can see in Visual Basic playlist of IT tips. These are the most important code and library and API calls that are frequently used in building large scale application. That's why we are going to discuss independently. At any last level or in coming weeks, we will furnish a complete application that will use these entire API calls. So for latest updates and in touch our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you can receive our latest updates. Thanks for watching this.